In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram sound not working problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Instagram, click on Instagram, update to Instagram if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Instagram, click on Instagram, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache. Now click on permission, allow all permission one by one. Now search for sound. Click on sound and vibration. Increase media volume sound. Now open Instagram app. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram sound not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.